How to contact Facebook customer service. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Facebook customer service. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do first is to check if our Facebook is up to date. So to do that, just open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Facebook. And then just tap on Facebook over here. If that says update, that means that your Facebook is currently outdated. So just tap on the update button for you to have the latest features within the app. Now, if that says open, that means that your Facebook is currently up to date and you're good to go. Assuming that I am now done updating my Facebook app, let's just head on and open Facebook right here. And if you're currently not on the Facebook page, for example, if you're from the home page, just click on the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner because we need to be here, and just scroll down a bit and click on the help and support to open up a drop down menu, and it should show many options right here. So just click on this report a problem option, and this is where you can actually state problems. So you can either go back and shake your phone, or you can also opt not to do that by clicking on this toggle button right here to turn it off, going back the page, and click on report a problem again. So you can just click on report a problem over here, and you can also decide if you want to include the complete logs and diagnostics in your report. So this can help because it will give more information to the Facebook staff about the problem that you have faced. So you can just click on include in report if you want to do that. And then you can choose a feature that is not working properly on your Facebook apps. For example, I'm going to choose Reels over here. And you can then just describe the problem that you encountered. For example, I cannot like certain Reels, and then you can also take screenshot right here, and this button should float along the page. You can just take a screenshot if you like, and that should immediately attach that screenshot to your report. So just click on send over here to report that problem and contact Facebook customer service. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.